Hello, my name is Karen. Today I will present my sustainable tourism proposal called The Riches of the South. The South of Dominican Republic has beautiful natural resources such as beaches, mountains, and cultural tradition. However, this region faces important problems like unemployment, environmental pollution, and limit community and participation in tourism. My project aims to promote sustainable tourism by involving local communities and protecting natural resources. First, this initiative supports sustainable development goal 8 by creating decent jobs. Local people can work as tour guides, artists, and food vendors. Training programs will help them improve their skills. Second, it contribute to the Sustainable Development Goal 11 by strengthening communities. Families participate in the culture tours, local experience, and tourism activities. This program include and respect for tradition. Third, it contributes to Sustainable Development Goal 11. Third, it supports Sustainable Development Goal 12 by encouraging responsible practice. The project promotes recycling, reducing plastic use, and protecting natural areas. Three main actions made this project possible: creating community-based tools, organizing development campaigns, and supporting local produce. Thank you.